Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your PC runs Windows 10 1909 or newer, 64-bit, and has at least 10 to 20 GB free on an SSD for speed. Once done, choose whether to sign in with a Microsoft account. This links your license and syncs settings. Now download the Visual Studio installer. Pick the latest community, professional, or enterprise channel depending on needs. Begin the installer immediately so the next step, workload selection, appears without delay. Once the installer opens, select workloads that match your projects. NET Desktop for Windows apps, ASP. NET for Web, C++ for native code, or Python for scripting. Make sure to click individual components to add specific SDKs, compilers, or tools like Git for Windows and the Net SDK. This reduces later surprises. You can change the install location and enable a download cache if you plan an offline install. After confirming selections, hit install and monitor progress. Larger workloads take longer. When installation completes, restart if prompted, and then launch Visual Studio. Create a quick new project matching an installed workload to verify compilers and SDKs load correctly. If extensions matter, install them from the marketplace now. If something goes wrong, use the Visual Studio installer's repair option first. It fixes missing components without a full reinstall. Also check installation, logs in the system temp folder, and ensure antivirus or disk encryption did not block files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.